Good morning or afternoon or evening whenever you're watching this. It's a really dark and gloomy morning. Look at this. If you can, there. See? Super dark and gloomy. I was really hoping to go out and do some hiking today. I don't know if that's going to happen. Maybe I can just go walking around here. I don't know. I really wanted to. I had a lot of fun yesterday doing it because Olivia wasn't stopping as much with her pack on. She did stop some, but not too much. Like she usually would without it on. So it was really enjoyable. Anyway, I'm rambling right now, but we'll see what happens later on in the day. Olivia got all wet taking her out this morning. Oh my gosh, you can't see because it's super dark. Oh my, but I have to dry her, so I'm gonna dry you, little. Can you see this? She's like Emperor Palpatine. She's Emperor Puppatine. That's a really bad joke. So I think my afternoon is pretty much set. You can probably hear it in the background. Born to Dance just started on TCM. It's one of my favorite musicals ever. It has Jon Stewart from A Wonderful Life, which, by the way, isn't a Christmas film, but it's always shown around Christmas time and people think it's a Christmas movie, but it really isn't. Anyway, and some other really fantastic people, so I'm going to be watching that, and I don't know if I'm going to go on a walk, but I still might if it's not raining. I think it stopped raining a while ago. I think so. But if it's still good when this is over, I might go on a walk still, because whatever. Can go whenever I want, really. So yeah, that's gonna be my afternoon, watching Born to Dance. Hey, sleepyhead, you wanna go out? Of course you do. So it's kind of late in the day, and I don't think I could go on a walk because it's kind of late in the day. Oh well. I was actually really looking forward to it, but I just was watching a movie and I forgot to edit my video like I always do when I actually just finished. So yeah. Got to plan editing much better so I can get things in my day to do or something, because every time I plan to go out and do something, it's like, oh wait, I have to edit my video. I have to edit my vlog. It is practically every time I try to go do something, that's how it goes. Like, oh, almost every time I plan on going out and doing something, it's like, oh no, I have to edit my vlog. Seriously, almost every time. So I sit, I edit, I upload, and it's usually much later in the day that I go do something, so I need to plan my editing a lot better. I was doing it really good, actually. I was editing like at night, and then all I had to do was upload during the day, around the time that I wanted to put my video up. But I just don't do that anymore for some reason. I do other things. But anyway, that's just something I have to plan out better, instead of forgetting every time. But I'm gonna go take Olivia out. changed, as you can see, into a different shirt because it was kind of cold this morning. So I was like, oh, this t-shirt is not enough for me. It's warm out, actually. A little too warm for what I'm wearing. Oh well. I'm just gonna keep wearing it. I don't feel like changing my shirt again. Oh, you're waiting for me. Thank you. Today turned out to be a super lazy day. There's really not much for me to do at the moment. I start class at the end of September. So, yeah. That's when that is going to happen. I had something I wanted to say, and now I've completely forgotten what I want to say as soon as I turn on the camera and gone. Yeah, I just had a really lazy day. I don't like to lay around in PJs, so I'm not in my PJs. But yeah, just totally forgot what I was going to say. I have to take Olivia out. No reaction. Absolutely no reaction from her. Olivia had a pretty relaxing day too. Hey, Olivia. Oh my gosh. Let's go out. Let's go out, girlies. Come on. I have to make sure I have everything that I need before we go. And one of those things is you. Okay. Okay. We're gonna go now. I think this vlog is going to be really short. I'm not sure. My last two vlogs have been actually kind of long, 11 and 10 minutes. But this later half of my day wasn't really all that exciting. It was just real chill. I read my book. It's a good book. It's a really well written book. But yeah, that didn't really do much. So yeah, just gonna watch some TV. I am wide awake. It's almost midnight. It's 11:55 right now. I don't know when I'm gonna go to bed. Oh, jeez, I don't know. Jason and I might go to a movie tomorrow. I kind of want to see, well, I don't kind of want to see, I do want to see that new M. Night Shyamalan movie. I read a few things that it was actually really good, so I might go see that. And probably gonna go on a walk tomorrow, so I think I will vlog tomorrow. Saturday. I haven't done that in a while. So yeah, I'm gonna vlog on Saturday, and then I will upload on Sunday. But I probably won't have a video on Monday. That's it. And here's a bit of Olivia before she decides to go to bed for the night, go to her closet for the night. Yeah. Here? You're sleepy? Today was a really cloudy, lazy day, wasn't it? We just didn't do anything really, did we? No. But tomorrow we are. Oh yeah. I'm gonna bring your pack with me. It's gonna be a good day tomorrow. Good night, everyone, and see you tomorrow.